So focus out. Okay, so over to the right, you're gonna have all of your tools that you're gonna be working with. So there's a bunch of different tools that we won't be covering all tonight, but you know, we'll cover the ones that'll get you at least moving and stuff. So we can jump up here and we can go append, and when you select this append tool, it gives you the option to select other subtools. If you select the subtool outside of the append and you go through the tools, what it will do is that it will replace the existing object, and I can show you that first actually. So if I go, you know what, I want to build a body for Mr. Skeleton here, and I go back up here and I go, you know what, I'm going to drag this down, and I know I got all my tools from here, and if I go simple brush, right, and I'm going to not switch, let me see, yeah, so anyways, let's switch, that's fine. So it's switching me off of edit mode because I deselected from it. If I go in here and if I, you know what, I want to build the body, so I'm going to select a box. And if I drag out a box, right, it'll drag it out, but they won't be part of the same world. Meaning they're not part of that same environment. So now I have a head that's on a different plane, on a different layer, that won't connect with this box until I append it. So the way I gotta do that is I go control, remove, or if this ever happens to you guys, where you delete your whole object, and you go, no, you know, the years of this, it's all gone. All you have to do is go back into your tool set, select it, and drag it out, and there it is. Yeah, it remembers. Now there's two places before I forget. Like the most important thing, I'm not showing you. There's two places where you got to save your stuff. Okay. The first place is in your actual tool panel, right? So if I go up to my tool panel, I can go save as, and what this is doing is that it's saving this stamp or this model that we have with them. So this is like our first place. So we would save it, and I'll call it I don't know. I'm just call it me, not he, but me. Let's go, boom, me, and then I'll just save it here, and it'll save it as a Z tool, right? And the extension is ZTL, and I can save that, and it'll save it. And then I can go in here into my documents panel, and I can save. I can go save as, and this will save the existing parameters for the document that you guys have up right now. Okay. So anyway, so you guys can save that out. And then once you start saving, instead of going back to that save as or save, all you got to do is press the number 9 on your keyboard. If I press the number 9, like Michael 9, it's saved. Right again, save. Right, and if you lose your object here, if you guys go into your light box, which I haven't really talked about, we go into this light box. What you can do is jump in here, and then we can look for a project. Let's see, we can go into our quick saves, and then our skulls can up here, and it'll show you every iteration that you're saving up to this point. You guys see that? So you guys can find it in like three places. Okay. So, anyways, just wanted to show you that.